Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to not Twitter update, Bitcoin update. The reason why I said Twitter update is because when the guys sitting on Twitter say something, you have to do the opposite of what they say. If they're actually starting to call $45,000, oh man, they're actually jinx it. That's what they say, jinx it. When they say $44,000, they kind of ruin everything. When they actually start to call 100K, they're also going to ruin a lot of things. Okay, now I did actually expect a $45,000, but by the look of things, there is one particular support Bitcoin has found on the daily time frame. So we have the first touch, the second touch, the third touch. This is truly an incredible demand zone for Bitcoin. Okay, not so many people are able to see this, but I've actually ended up discovering that this is very, very strong area the Bitcoin is in right now, which is actually $54,000. Okay, do not make any mistake that we had a touch and move up, a touch and a move up, and we had a wick down there and a body closing and a move up, right? And then again yesterday, even better is that you made a reversal doji right on the support. So I will take this very seriously, and I will suggest that all of you guys start to take this absolutely very, very seriously. Now, the perks of having a support at the moment, of course, if you do maybe end up coming down to, check out $49,000, then that's it. Okay, 44K is actually opened up right now. 44K is not really in play. Okay, let's just make this very, very clear. You are holding support. And even better is that on the 4-hour time frame, you are actually oversold at the moment. And it's almost kind of like you have a very regular bullish divergence. Okay, I'm going to actually zoom in here so that you can see much better what I'm talking about. So when the prices are still coming down and then you see a divergence on the RSI, this is exactly one of the best combination you can really have between the chart pattern and the RSI as well. So the RSI really complements whatever is happening right over here. Even better is that you do have that support line as well. And then you have the regular bullish divergence, which actually makes it hard now to really see Bitcoin dropping at $44,000. However, September was bad. Okay, September was still kind of bad. We did see a 7% drop of Bitcoin. We actually saw Bitcoin, when was this one? Bitcoin was actually up here, you can see, at nearly $65,000, $64,000, and all the way in September you're already down to nearly $54,000. So that is still a huge drop of nearly 14%, which actually made the altcoin even drop a little bit more to the downside. So I think that's all that I'm going to talk about. Again, I think the stop loss is going to be at 48,737. If you do come down there, then probably that's the end of wick. Even though this is very weird that you still have a wick, which normally wick does get filled, but trading is a little bit more complex than just having a wick. I know this is a little bit confusing, but a stronger case is that, again, that's your demand box. You got a touch, move back up, a touch and a move back up, another touch, and we might just see another move back up, at least back to this trend line. So if I do take the trend line and drop in the trend line, we do have a trend line with Bitcoin right over there, and that actually could push Bitcoin back up here, and that is going to be $65,000 one more time. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.